Before installing your Fitz exhaust mount, you'll need to measure your exhaust fan and ceiling opening to make sure everything will fit perfectly. In this video, we'll show you exactly what to measure before purchasing and installing the Fitz Luxe exhaust mount. First measurement is the inside dimension of the exhaust fan box. This should be a minimum of 8 inches by 8 inches and a maximum of 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches. Next, measure the outside dimensions including the flange. The overall dimensions with the flange cannot be larger than 11 3/4 by 11 3/4 inches. If your fan opening is larger than 8 by 8, you may need to cut back the perforations on the mount. And if your fan is smaller, you can always adapt the opening using a piece of plywood. Next, check the overall size of the mount to make sure that you have enough space on the ceiling. For the flush mount, the overall size is 16 3/4 by 16 3/4. For the frame mount, the overall size is 15 3/8 by 15 3/8. You'll also want to make sure that there's enough space inside the ceiling cavity. To calculate this, take the height of your fan housing and add 1 3/4 inches for the height of the Fitz mount. That total will tell you exactly the minimum depth required in your ceiling cavity. Ideally, you should take these measurements before purchasing your exhaust fan and your Fitz mount. Doing this during the design stage of your project ensures everything fits correctly and avoids adjustments later on. With the Fitz flush mount, the installation sequence for an exhaust fan is slightly different from the standard. Here's how it goes. First, run the power cable and position the exhaust duct. Next, mount the drywall. Then, install the flush Fitz mount with the exhaust fan and connect both the power and the ducting. Finally, complete with drywall finish, mud, and paint. With the Fitz frame mount, the installation sequence for an exhaust fan is slightly different from standard. Here's how it goes. First, run the power cable and position the exhaust duct. Next, finish the drywall completely. Then, install the framed Fitz mount with the exhaust fan and connect both the power and the ducting.